The giant hogweed is a very tall plant. It can grow up to 4 meters high. And the poison creates an allergic reaction that makes the skin very sensitive to normal sunlight. In areas with difficult access, it would be a coincidence if one of our people notice a giant hogweed and get it registered.
We have worked with intelligence and asked them if we could develop something here. We were able to take very high quality images, and they had, of course, the abilities to make the software behind it.
We have created a solution that ingests the images and the image data gathered by ProDrone, analyzes these images, and creates an algorithm to predict automatically whether giant hogweed is present on an image or not.
We do it by land surveying with drones, covering 10,000 square meters in 10 to 15 minutes. We upload the images in the software from intelligence, and the customer gets out a map with the hogweed.
We are using SAP HANA as the platform to manage the image metadata and also as the basis for the labeling application that the biologists use to train the algorithm. And we used Hadoop for the image data, which is what we consider unstructured data. We extract meaningful metadata from these images, push them into SAP HANA, and then use SAP Analytics Cloud as a visualization front end to provide management with adequate dashboards. We want to take this solution to the next level to go beyond just this one species, but also use it in a different context and support other species that need our help.